The Rogue City, a cellular rebellion. Cancer doesn't begin as a war. It begins as a rebellion. One cell mutates, gains independence, and starts breaking the biological rules that sustain order. Around it, once peaceful tissues begin to change. Blood vessels are reprogrammed to serve the tumor's will. Fibroblasts are enlisted in the construction. Even the immune system answers the wrong call. Order dissolves into the tumor's singular purpose. The silent takeover is complete. Rules are broken. Order yields to anarchy. This is the foundation of a rogue city.